Okay, back to Farmhouse Windmills, and this is a Muller 8-foot 702, brand new one that Justin Eccles manufactures up in Wisconsin. And these are two examples of timing your wheel arm. So on this very first pair of wheel arms, they timed perfectly. You didn't have to add any washers or shims here. They screwed right to the shoulder of the hub like they should. But many times these wheel arms, you're going to have to adjust them different ways. And this is timing, where your center bridges are parallel to the motor here, to the hub. And this is where you want them. You don't want them like this. You don't want them like this. You want them like this when you install the wheel section. So this one worked perfectly, but not all of them work perfectly when you start assembling a windmill, whether it's air motor or Muller or wind engine or Hurricane. Most of the time you're going to have to tweak the wheel arms to time them. And here's a good example where this one here, if I get my crescent wrench, you can time it and it'll time like it should. And what I like to come in here and grind off the paint. That way I know the wheel arm is hitting the hub and not the paint underneath, because over time the paint cracks and splits and it falls out and then you have a small gap. So I like to grind that little paint off. This one here's a good example where it wouldn't time like the other three, so you had to add some shims. I'd use steel shims back here, and that way I know that this is tied up against the hub at that point, just like it should. It's timed perfectly now, but I had to use shims. Some people, air motor sends out these lead washers. Most windmills don't use these. We'll either use steel shims, or some windmillers come in here, take a pipe wrench, and they hold it here with a pipe wrench and get another pipe wrench, and they'll turn the end of this, where this times the center bridge and it turns it. But I usually don't do that type of tweaking. I like to use the steel shims. Justin Eccles with Muller, he recommends taking a grinder and you can just wear away some of this shoulder down, where your wheel arm will time up against the hub like it should. So there's so many different ways that you can do it. So whatever your preference is, as long as you also make sure you have the bridges, center bridges timed, and you have it up against the hub tightly.